Today we'll be making a cinnamon toast crunch cocktail. So if you enjoy this cereal, you're gonna enjoy this drink. So stay tuned. We're gonna start by crushing up some of the cereal for the rim of our glass. So I'm gonna put some plastic bag. Shout out to PS5. I think that's good enough, so we will lay that down on a plate. And to make it stick to the glass, I'm going to put a little bit of caramel. Rim our glass with the caramel first. In the crumbs. Yum! Alright, so we're going to set that aside and move on to our drink. So we're going to start off with 3 ounces of Rumchata. Vanilla vodka. Smells so good. We'll do a ½ ounce of Fireball. I'm gonna add a little extra just because I really like the flavor of Fireball. Alright. So now we're going to give that a shake with some ice. Alright, we're gonna fill our glass with some fresh ice. In the morning. Strain it in. I'm going to garnish that with a cinnamon stick. Hope you enjoyed this drink tutorial. If you have any other suggestions or maybe different types of cereals you want another drink out of, please let me know. I know it's getting colder out in California, so I'll be making more warm drinks to stay cozy, but I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching.